everyone. So today I am going to teach you lines and angles. Now, line is one-dimensional figure. It has only length, one-dimensional figure, and it has only length. It can be extended in both the direction. So two ends are not fixed. It can be extended either in this side or in this side. Line segment. Line segment is a line also, but it is fixed from two ends. So it has a fixed length and it cannot be extended in either direction. And next is ray. Ray is also a line, but it is movable from one end only. One end is fixed and other end can be movable. So this is the line segment and ray. Now next thing is angle. Angle is formed when two line segments are joined such that they have one common point, then the resulting figure is known as angle. Suppose this is a ray A and this is your ray B and they are joined by this common point O, then the resulting figure which we are getting, the inclination which we are getting is angle. Okay, AOB. Angle AOB, it is represented in this manner. One thing keep into your mind is the angle, the point where we getting the angle, the common point of the two rays is kept in between. So this is AOB. You cannot change this. You cannot take. You cannot. You can change the B or A position, but you cannot change O position if you are taking the into consideration O angle. Okay, you cannot change its position even in writing. So there are so many types of angles. Let us understand this. One more thing I have to tell you is, if there is an angle, then how it is measured? It is measured in the unit of angle is radian and degrees, and it is measured in anti-clockwise direction from x-axis. This is your x-axis and the anti-clockwise direction is this. So it is measured in this manner. Now types of angles are: first one is acute angle. If angle's value is less than 90, then it is known as acute angle. Let me make you understand by this coordinate axis. These are the coordinate axes. This is the angle from 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. So if your angle lies in first quadrant, then it is known as acute angle. Okay, if it is lying in first quadrant, then it is known as acute angle. And the right angle is, all these angles in first quadrant are acute. If you move into the this line is 90 degree right angle. If you move from here to here, then it is known as obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. I will write down the values. Acute angle, it is always less than 90. And right angle is 90 degree. Obtuse angle is always greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. And this line is straight line. This is 180 degree angle, this line, or simple angle. After that you get reflex angle, and up to 360 it will become complete angle. Okay, So if angle is less than 90, it lies in first quadrant, it is known as acute angle, and at 90 it become right angle. After 90, after this line, in this, if you come into the second quadrant, you will get obtuse angle. At this you get straight line or 180-degree angle. After 180 you get reflex angle, and at 360 you will get complete angle.